Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over where you would locate your power steering fluid reservoir on this S550 Mercedes-Benz. This S550 Mercedes-Benz is 2010 and your reservoir for power steering fluid is right here in front of the radiator fluid reservoir. It's right here. You would just unscrew this cap and it's right behind the light. Unscrew the cap, remove it, and it's got a dipstick here, and it tells you that we are in the operating range. There is a hot and a cold range. When it's hot, it'll be higher here, but we are right in the middle, so that's right where we want to be. If you needed to put more power steering fluid in it, you would put it in right here. Just pour it in and check it with the dipstick, clean it off, and check it again. And that's where you go. If that keeps going empty, well then you're definitely going to want to be looking around to see if there are any leaks, or when you have somebody turn the steering wheel and see if there's any sprays, whether you need a new hose or a connector put on your vehicle. But that's where you would check and add power steering fluid on an S550 Mercedes-Benz of a 2010. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.